Hey guys, Mrs. Smek here. This video is just going to be short and sweet. I just wanted to give you guys a few tips to use while you are simplifying expressions using your order of operations. So the first thing I wanted to remind you of was how to deal with exponents. So 3 squared, that should look familiar to you. That is just 3 times 3, which equals 9. A common thing that I keep seeing is 3 times 2. This is not it. If they wanted you to do 3 times 2, they would have just written 3 times 2, not 3 to this little 2. So that is 3 squared, or 3 to the second power. So if I had 3 cubed, this would be 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? So if I have a number in parentheses, like -3 cubed, okay, this is -3 times -3 times -3. Well, a negative times a negative is positive, and then a negative times a positive is negative. Okay, so it's important that you think of the parentheses. If the negative is not in the parentheses, this is just 3 cubed, which is 27, with a negative on the outside. Okay, so remember, if I have 2 to the 4th, that's 2 times itself 4 times. Okay, then I also just wanted to do a few examples for you that I thought were maybe a little tricky when dealing with order of operations. So let's say I have 24 over -14 plus 2. You should think of this as 24 divided by everything underneath the fraction bar. Okay, because remember, a fraction bar is a division sign also. So you're dividing by -14 plus 2. Everything underneath. To signal or represent that you're dividing by a bunch of stuff, or everything underneath the fraction, you could put it in parentheses. And then we know that you do parentheses first. So you have 24 divided by -14 plus 2, which is -12. And then 24 divided by -12 is 2. Okay, so basically my tip to you is, if you have stuff on the top or the bottom of a fraction, do that first. Okay, then simplify your fraction. We're going to do exponents first, so I have -2 times -8 plus 50 over 10. Then we can do our multiplication, and this is division. Okay, you're like, oh my goodness, that's a fraction? Yes, but a fraction that simplifies to 5. 50 divided by 10. So -1 times -8 is 8, plus 50 divided by 10 is 5, and 8 plus 5 is 13. Here we have 2 sets of parentheses. So we know we have to do parentheses first. We need to do the innermost parentheses first. So we have addition and multiplication in the parentheses. We still have to do order of operations inside the parentheses. Okay, so we're going to have the 6 plus 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, they were still working on doing what's inside the parentheses. 6 plus 6 is 12. So now we have 2 plus 3 minus 12. Well, 3 minus 12 is -9. And this gives us an answer of -7. Okay, well that is it for my quick and simple video. I hope those tips will help you in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.